After our great catch last night, and before our Cilento coast tour comes to an end, I want to impress Liz and Malcolm with an incredible pasta lunch using anchovies. Linguine alla Puttanesca. You need extra virgin olive oil, okay? Just put it in a pan there. 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, depend how much do you like garlic. To be honest with you, you can't really do this recipe without garlic, yeah? So if you don't like garlic, please make something else. The oil is cold, the garlic goes into the oil, and then we switch on the heat. Because otherwise what's gonna happen, your oil gets too hot and the garlic is gonna burn, and we don't want that. I hate burnt garlic because it gets bitter and it gets all yucky. Chop some fresh chili. This should be a medium heat. If you prefer really spicy, you can go for it. So the chili goes in there. As soon as it starts to sizzle, add some capers. I'm using capers in salt. Whatever you do, make sure that you rinse them under cold water. Squeeze all the water out, straight into the oil. Once you put the capers, switch off the heat, because we don't want the garlic to burn. And then we're going to introduce the olives. Add straight to the pan, and then it's time for the all-important omega-3 rich anchovies. This is going to give a natural saltiness and a little bit of a flavor of fish into the sauce. I've put about 2, 4, 6, 8. But you can put 9, you can put 10, as many as you want. Once the anchovies goes in there, put the heat on again, because now we are going to start to break the anchovies into the oil. You go with a wooden spoon and you break them up. Only the anchovies, yeah? Don't break the olives, capers, garlic, or anything like that. That's exactly what I want. Look at that. The anchovies are melted into the oil. Add 2 tins of cherry tomatoes. Straight into the sauce. At this point, lower your heat because we just want to gently cook the tomatoes. Roughly chop some parsley. Fantastico. Parsley goes in there. Mix all together. Look at these beautiful cherry tomatoes, the olives, the garlic. I mean, the smell is divine. Divino, as we say in Italian, divino. The sauce, we can switch it off. Set the sauce aside to rest while cooking the pasta. I'm using linguine. Make sure you cover it straight away into the water, yeah? Like that. Keep the water boiling. No need to add any oil. Don't overcook the linguine, as it should be al dente. The best way to check pasta is to eat it. Don't throw it on the wall or in your fridge. Just try. Another 40 seconds. Last 30, 40 seconds, you want to cook the pasta into the delicious flavors of the sauce. Malcolm, I made your favorite pasta.
And what is it?
Linguine alla Puttanesca.
I can't wait. I'm really hungry.
You're gonna love it. You are in for a treat. So we get the pasta, roll it right in the middle. This is how you do it. Linguine alla Puttanesca. Signora, sto facendo le linguine?
Ho visto tutto.
Avete visto tutto? Come sono andato?
Benissimo, buon appetito.
So the lady said that I did a brilliant job. That's the beauty of Italy. When you start to cook, everybody gets involved. Oh,
Here it comes.
Oh, here it comes.
Ecco qua, ecco qua. 1 second, ladies first. Elisabetta,
Grazie.
that's for you. Linguine alla Puttanesca.
Thank you.
What a beautiful day. Look at that. Nice one.
Lovely.
Lovely.
Salute, ragazzi.
Salute.
Salute.
Salute. Oh, this is lovely. This is just like you like.
You like it?
I love this. It's hot, and it's spicy.
Lovely. I have to do this at home.
It's an easy recipe to do at home, is it? This? I have to say, I loved spending time with you two.
We love spending time with you. We love to come away with you. You bring us to places we'd never dream of visiting in Italy. This is magnificent. So thank you. Thank you very much.
I love you.
We love you.
No, I love you more. Only the best for you, Elizabeth. You are my mother-in-law. You're the queen of the house.
Thank you very much.